Find the parts that fit your specific equipment with the My Equipment feature on parts.cat.com. Just open your browser, visit parts.cat.com, and click Add Equipment under the Select Equipment box to get started. Enter your CAT model or serial number. Save your equipment. If logged in, your equipment will automatically be saved to your account in the My Equipment tab. Browse all the parts that provide an exact fit for your equipment. You can shop with confidence, knowing that each part is verified to fit when you see the green checkmark icon. Enter the quantity you need and add to cart. When you're ready to check out, click Go to Cart and proceed to checkout. Shop with confidence you're getting the right part every time. Visit parts.cat.com to get started.